Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I delete a Google Drive account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete a Google Drive account, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your My Drive application or Google Drive application and be sure you are logged into your account. And now once logged in, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then on tapping it, under your username, you'll find an option that says Manage your Google account. Simply select that. Now, once you're inside here, what you need to do is select Security and Sign In. And inside Security and Sign In, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and you'll find the option that says Your Devices. Then simply tap on Manage All Devices on the bottom. And once you do this, you will be prompted to the list where your Google Drive is used. Now, all you gotta do is simply select the device that you want to delete a Google Drive account, and next is to, if you have given a passkey, it will ask your passkey as well. And once you are verified, it will take you to the option that says sign out, find device and don't recognize this as device. Now in order to remove your Google Drive account, simply tap on sign out right here and then sign out once again to confirm use Google Drive from that device only. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.